up is probably going to be So for this week's ride, I'm just gonna head over to a vape shop, get some more juice for my vape, and then also head to the grocery store. So I just about have all my camping stuff together now. The only items left, they're not absolutely necessary. Well, one of them is absolutely necessary that I could think of. My cooking stove. I still don't know if I want to go with a jet boil or something similar to that versus just like a Coleman, or I don't know the name of it. I'll put a picture of it. Just like a standard camping stove. So let's see, I need a stove, like some type of washable bin, a tabletop. Again, the washable bin and the tabletop, those are not necessary. Those are just creature comforts. Now that I'm getting older, I find myself less aggressive. I can see why they lower the cost of insurance once you reach a certain age. Before, the way this guy cut me off, he used to piss me off, but now I'm just like, fuck it, dude. Alright. The vape shop, I'd never been here before, but it's behind, I know somewhere in here there's a Jersey Mike. Yeah, there it is. It's somewhere back here. Alright, we got the juice. The juice is loose.
Hey Twitter world, this is yours truly. Hello Twitter world, this is yours truly. Hey Twitter world, it's me, yours truly. Hey Twitter world, yours truly. Hey Twitter world, this is yours truly.
And we got I forget what they're called. Not filters. I'll put a picture of that shit too. But it was pretty pricey, so I'm not gonna buy everything that I thought I was gonna buy at the grocery store, because goddamn, that was too much. Cool thing about going to the grocery store on your motorcycle is there's designated spots for motorcycle parking up front, and I'm sure people get upset, but just like when I used to live in California, people got upset because motorcycles are legally allowed to lane split. But I don't know what to tell you. It is what it is. For anybody that's into reading out there, I highly suggest the book. It's called My Hitch in Hell. by Lester Tenney. Oh man, it had me pretty emotional near the end there. Won't spoil it, but it's about a POW in a Japanese prison camp. I'll just say that. And it's an autobiography, so it's the own guy's account of the incident. Take a different route home. Beto? Are you kidding me, dude? I've never before voted, but this insurgence of retards that think Biden actually did a good job. You see the state of our country. Yeah, they actually think Biden did good. I'm definitely gonna vote now, just because there's so many retards voting. Like if you watch those videos where the people, they can't even answer the most basic questions. How many stars are on the flag? How many states are there? What is the War of 1812? And they don't know.
Oh shit, look at that door, dude. See that door right there? One marked pirate. You think a pirate lives in there? I see a door marked private.
Like, sad. So yeah, that e-juice and the God, I can't think of the name of it. Oh, coils, that's right. It was pretty pricey, but when you think about it, not really. If you compare it to smoking, you're buying a pack every week or every day, depending on how much you smoke. So it is pretty pricey, yeah, but that lasted me a really long time. That lasted me almost half a year, because I buy the big 120 milliliter bottle. Alright, that's going to be it for this week's ride. Thanks for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe.